tell me about your story. From where were you and where are you right now? So that the audience know about you.
Okay, that's a very vast question. But where was I? I have always been a very happy child, but I was always an ignorant happy child. More of a dumb, blissfully unaware of what's going on, in my shell happy child. To where I am today is I'm more aware. Not, I would say, of what all the crap that is going out there. More untouched by it. I'm still untouched by all that, but more aware of what goes on within me when something happens out there. And then unwanted things happens. How is it that my chemistry internally changes? Why is it that I behave a certain way? More aware of that and happy with that. So this happiness is more profound, is more lasting than it was the case before. So that's me, who I was before, and me today with who I am. And like I said, yoga is such a journey that goes deep within. Every single day you think you've reached a slight 1 centimeter inward, and you discover that there's whole lots to go. So this journey is forever, and the awareness only takes you closer and closer to your ultimate happiness. So that's who I was and what I am today.
Wonderful.